All right, y'all, we back. All right, y'all, we discovered something. Well, I discovered something. See, when you got replacement bolts right here, when your check that shot, where your bolt go for your coil pack. Yeah, see it right there. You see it right there. Right here, there's that gap between here. Now, this gotta be the same size as the coil. That right there is a little bit wider and it's screwed all the way in. And then we go look at our coil, and it's gonna have a little gap here. So get you some washers or fresh bolts when you're doing this type of stuff. When you're changing your spark plugs, coil paths, get you some new screws, y'all. I'm trying to help y'all out. All right, holla back, y'all.